بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful. To start with the greatest name of Allah Almighty, who created the universe, the sun, the moon, who runs the rivers, lakes, and who runs the cloud full of rain. Who runs the cloud full of rain? Oh Allah, help us to pray 5 times. We ask you to protect us against evils and crimes. Assalamu alaikum and good evening everyone. It is a great honor for me to introduce and welcome the chief guest of this beautiful evening. We sincerely welcome our honorable guest, Qari Sheikh Muhammad Yaqub Sahib, Qari Abdul Majid Sadiqi Sahib. It is a pleasure that you all have joined this event. This gathering is designed to congratulate all children who have completed their Hifz Quran. I appreciate all children who have finished their Hifz Quran. Hafiz Afaq Masood, Hafiz Hanzala Tahir, Hafiz Hamad Azam, Hafiz Abdullah Umar, Hafiz Abdullah Abu Bakr, Hafiz Ahmar Munir, Hafiz Shahbaz, Hafiz Atiq Rafiq, Hafiz Hamad Azam, Hafiz Umar Farooq, Hafiz Sajjad, Hafiz Abdullah Abdul Rahman, Hafiz Abdul Rahman, Hafiz Miqdamur Rahman. May Allah guide us to live with accordance to live the Holy Quran teaching. Your presence is itself a symbol of wonderful diversity. I will hope you will enjoy this event. Thanks and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.